Next, what I'd like to show you guys is the homework sheet on dot diagrams. You should have moved this over from Schoology. Here it sits. There's just a few examples here, 16 of them. Looks like a lot, but as you've seen, these do go kind of quickly. Over here, just as the reminder, there's our atomic structures. Remember, we're not going to do the nucleus anymore or the inner energy levels. We will write the symbol, and then we look to see how many valence electrons it has, and we put that many dots around the element, and that's all we need to do. So for starters, dot diagram, let's look at fluorine. That's our first one right here. So what I need to do is go over to my periodic table. If you haven't copied that over from our previous unit, please do so. And so I'm going to look, I already forgot what element I'm looking for, you guys. Fluorine, was it? Fluorine is what it was. And so fluorine, there it is. So here's fluorine. And remember, we wrote this down at the bottom. That's the number that I'm looking for. So fluorine is in group number 7. And according to what that number I have down on the bottom, fluorine has 7 valence electrons. So I'm going to go back to my sheet. And so I'll write the symbol, fluorine, and I do 7 dots, similar to what we did before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so fluorine has 3 pairs of electrons, and 1 electron is all by itself. That's the dot diagram for fluorine. Hydrogen. So I'll look at number 2. And I'll go to my periodic table again. And I'll find hydrogen. There's hydrogen. So I'll zoom out a little bit. Again, hydrogen's in the first group. And so how many valence electrons does hydrogen have? Based on what we wrote on our periodic table, hydrogen only has 1 valence electron. So I'll go back to my homework sheet. I'll write the formula and 1 valence electron. And that's all we need to do for hydrogen. That completes our dot diagrams for hydrogen. That's all there is to it. It just has 1 valence electron. From there, finish the rest of those and get those submitted, please.